Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install NVM on Ubuntu operating system. So let's open the terminal. Now this place this is the terminal is here. Let's make little bigger. So here you can see I'm using the curl command. So if I write there curl minus minus version, then you can see this version of the curl that already installed is there. To install the curl, you need to use this command sudo apt install curl. So with the help of this command, you can easily install the curl. Now with the help of this curl, that's I'm going to install the NVM. So let's copy this and now paste it there. So curl O then on this site nvm sh and now thereafter simply you need to press enter. So for this one net should be there because this is doing some download and install. Now the curl that nvm that installed there, but if you write this place nvm minus minus version, then you can see not found. So first here we need to use the exit, then again going to open this place terminal. Now let's write there nvm minus minus version. Then you can see all the stamps or this version 0.40.4 that install. Or you can also use the nvm minus v. This also returning the same. If you write the nvm, this all you can get there. So with the help of nvm, you can use this nvm install and this all helping command are there. Okay,